In this video, I'm going to show you how to acquire coordinates in Revit. Now, the first step is to prepare your view. So you want to first open your site plan or a floor plan view, and then you want to ensure the visibility of the survey point is turned on in visibility or graphic, okay? That's the first thing you have to do. And then step 2 is going to be to link the reference file. So you want to go to your Insert tab up top, and then over here, you'll have to either link Revit or you'll have to link something like CAD, okay? So you have link Revit and you have link CAD. You of course want to do this, and when you import, you also want to align the models and you want to move in a line and stuff like that. And then we come to the main part, of course, which is why you are here in this video: how to acquire coordinates. Now, to do this, you want to go to this specific tab up top, which is called the Manage tab. So click on Manage, and then from here you can see project location is going to be over here. So by default, project location is here, and you have three of them. You have location, coordinates, and position. You want to click on coordinates over here, and then when you click on this, from here, as you can see, it says acquire coordinates. Now you can just click on this button over here, and there we go. You'll be able to acquire your coordinates just like that, okay? You'll basically have to click on the linked instance in the drawing area, and then once you click the link, your Revit's file survey point will update to match the real-world location and rotation of the host model or CAD file. So that's essentially really all you have to do. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.